What's up everybody, it's your boy Tui, back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Samsung Epic 4G Touch for Sprint. Okay, it's really simple, it's not that hard. My phone works and everything, so I'm just going to show you how to disassemble it. And here it goes. First, you want to take off your screen. There you go. Power off your device first. Press OK. Make sure it's powered off, so that you can safely remove your battery and if you have an SD card. Okay, so now that it's powered off, we're going to start disassembling it. My battery right now is not good. I don't know if you can see the little lump right there. Wastes a lot of battery, and I don't like that. Probably get a new one. So, you get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and there's going to be 6 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you unscrew those, okay? There's one. This one's always hard, I don't know. For some reason, it never wants to come out. So, it's always hard. This one, especially this one in the corner. See how it's not cracking or nothing, but still. And I'll be back.